Welcome to Learn How To, brief and basic tech tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website in 5 minutes. No technical skills necessary here. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. Here we go. The first step is to choose your website hosting service provider. A hosting provider is basically the service that enables your website to be accessed on the internet. There are lots of providers out there to choose from. I personally use and recommend Bluehost. Their customer service is really outstanding. Whenever I call them with a question, it takes me less than a minute to reach someone live. I've included a referral link below, and if you sign up, we will receive a commission at no additional cost to you, which helps us out. Next, you'll click Get Started and select the plan that's right for you. Once you've selected your plan, it's time to create your domain name. Your domain name will be the name of your website. Now, if you type in a domain name and see that it's not available, you'll need to choose a different name. Sometimes if you vary the name slightly, you can find one very similar to your first choice that is available. Now comes the fun part. It's time to install WordPress. WordPress is the most widely used content management system, a free technology that makes it very easy for you to build and customize your website without any technical expertise. It's as simple as one click. Once your WordPress is loaded, it will bring you to your WordPress menu. Notice your domain name at the top left, hover over it, click Visit Site, and this will bring you to the default design automatically set up for you by WordPress with your domain name at the top. Now you can install a new theme to enhance your site and give it the look and feel you want. A theme is the website layout or design. Click on your domain name and that'll take you back to your dashboard. Then go down and click on Appearance. And at the top, click on WordPress.org Themes. That will show you hundreds of different themes that you can preview before you select the one that is most suitable. The next step is to edit your site. Go to the theme you selected and click Customize. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu of options that you can choose from to begin customizing the look of your site. For example, if you want to add a logo, or upload a header image, or change the background color of your site, this is where you'll do it. To add and edit text on your web pages, let's go back to your dashboard menu. There are two types of content editors on WordPress by default: Pages and Posts. Posts are designed for blog content, so if you're planning to use your site as a blog, posts are where you will be adding most of your content. Posts encourage conversation with a built-in comment feature and can also be shared socially by using any of the social media plugins. To add a post, go to Posts, click Add New, and begin typing or pasting your content. Be sure to click Publish when you're done. Pages are one-off types of content that help people navigate different sections of your site. For example, your About page. To add a page, click on Pages, Add New, and then you can begin creating your page. Once you're done, again, you want to click Publish. Once you're ready to go live, simply click the Launch Your Site button, and bingo, your site will be live and accessible to anyone on the internet. Remember, you can always go back and edit any of the elements or the content on your site. Now you know how to create your very own website. If you found value in this video, please do me a favor and click the subscribe button and ring the bell so that we can notify you when we put out more Learn How To videos. Thanks.